Welcome to 309 7th Avenue, Southwest in Sidney, Montana. As you step inside, you're greeted by a bright and open living area that flows seamlessly into the dining area and pass-through kitchen. Kitchen offers ample workspace with laminate countertops and stainless steel appliances, including an oven range, refrigerator, dishwasher, and microwave, plus an inviting breakfast bar. Just off the main living, dining area and kitchen, you'll find the first full bathroom, providing easy access and everyday convenience. Located right beside it is the first bedroom, offering a comfortable and versatile space for family or guests. Just beyond the bedroom is the laundry area, thoughtfully placed to make household chores simple and efficient. Continuing down the hall, you'll find the second bedroom, a bright and inviting space that offers comfort and flexibility. Located just beside the second bedroom, you'll find the primary bedroom, a spacious and comfortable retreat designed for relaxation and privacy. This inviting space offers a warm and peaceful atmosphere, perfect for unwinding. It also features a private en-suite bathroom, adding extra convenience with direct access right from the bedroom, creating a comfortable and functional owner's suite. Outside, enjoy the privacy of a fully fenced yard, perfect for entertaining or peaceful relaxation, along with the convenience of an oversized shed for additional storage. Situated with alleyway access, this striking property offers both style and practicality in a convenient location. Reach out today to book a visit and discover this beautiful home for yourself.